Hello, my name is Sol, and today speak about of legalization of prostitution. Prostitution is a social problem that affects millions of women around the world. More than 5 million are victims of trafficking, so for sexual exploitations, according to the United Nations. Legal figure in Colombia, prostitution is not illegal, more is not criminalized than admitted in the complaint 6 to 9 of 2010 forwards. There is no specific legal framework that protects the rights of persons who voluntarily exercise prostitution and regulate the job. Prostitution crimes, the penal code recognizes of sexual exploitation, pinching with minor than imposition of prostitution before the dreams land 1336 of 1909 considered sexual exploitation and pornography with minors and tourism. Legalization project in 2020, Senator Armando Benedetti Lau President Bill 078 DAN is going to meet to regulate the prostitution in Colombia. The protest raised freeze debate and went to plenary in Congress. However, the proposal has not had more advance on crimes. Whether practice have alternative in the country. The position is four of the rings of the sex words consider that states has the obligatory to legalization prostitution. This means that you should not dictatorial house. Objective is to push to the people involved in this practice as long as it is creative of which the control of all of them for them. Therefore, programs groups all that not all budgets are sending of sales results or conviction that no prisoners are victims. Debate which means feminist relation to control representation is more accentuates the support of its legalization concern than only the stance in a favor legalization in a favor to the women's rights to be found, but which in addition must consider is our activity and similar to precision of service. These recognitions as a hope world reported not only the needs to be from us women also their right to equality and even the right to liberty. Company that all of them organizing the legal test in force. This line of the kind points to legalization these sums. Affiliation to the general system of social security in case of warrant or ring of the subsequent flower code. Free vaccination for of sexuality, transmitted or infection and activity of prominent than parents and artists. Exercise of prostitution in the conditions, times, and radius different by the territorial organization plan. This lines is about team against not legalization the project. He will note now that the practical position of core under historical conception that the body comment is object when which can market. I will legacy mention to the existence of a pimps. The three party on project how gets reach the body of women. It would not be directly related to rank crimes such as trafficking of people who are being applied at 2 roles. And for the times